Hey you guys, and good morning, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. This is my intro to Doug's birthday dinner video. He just turned 49 on the 26th, and his meal of his birthday for the last 48 years, I guess.
Not like 35.
He said like 35. Is meatloaf, peas, and mashed potatoes. And so that's what we did. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. And we're going to go ahead and roll that intro. Thank you so much for coming. We'll see y'all soon.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
Hey you guys, and welcome back. I'm yelling again. This is how I do. I'm not supposed to be yelling at y'all. So, hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Atoya at Home. This channel, we do cleaning motivation, cook with me's, anything with the house, anything with the family of 5. I don't know what she's doing. This is Ezekiel. I don't know why she has my glove. I don't know. But so today is October 26th. And it's Doug's birthday, and so it is 8 o'clock. I have like an hour to get his dinner done and to clean up the kitchen just a little bit. It don't look that bad in here, so it's not gonna be too bad.
You have 3 things.
But let me go ahead and show y'all a real quick outie. Home. Zika, give me nope, never mind. Ooh. Alright, real quick, we got peas. Peas. The dog's in. Mashed potatoes. Chocolate cake. Sweet onion. Potatoes. Salt because I ran out. That's all we got, y'all. Alright you guys, power hour cook and clean with me. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and start this clock here. Focus. Thank you. Alright, so timer set. Set. Press and hold. That's
time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself this time I will keep.
sometimes you have to improvise, and I couldn't find the breadcrumbs, and so I took the stovetop stuffing and I crunched it up and then Doug ended up finding it for me, and then I used that and then put that into the breadcrumbs. While I am here, let me go ahead and invite y'all to my channel and to the family. Go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to share this video. All right, make sure you also watch it all the way through. You get to get some good views of some cake and of the whole meal towards the end. So I hope that you stay all the way through the video, and I hope that you enjoyed the music. I'm not gonna come to y'all too many more times today.
Again, I don't know if I can take it anymore.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline.
Okay, so I checked the meatloaf and it's almost done. But this cake, y'all, this cake. Do y'all see that? So I checked it with toothpicks and that side was a little more wet. I figure, you know, if I take it out, it'll still cook. Normally, you know, they're still cooked. But I think I may need to put this back in the oven for like another 10 minutes. Everywhere else feels good and feels ready except for that one part. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to do it.
Living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever? And if I let you go,
rushing. Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video and watching me go ahead and cook my husband's birthday dinner. Happy birthday, Douglas. I love you forever. Thank y'all so much for all your support and spending time with me. And here's a slice of his chocolate cake. And as always, we will see you on YouTube. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Peace out, y'all.
It feels so